Hi Duality, how you doing? What's that? I can't believe you only got a Pi 3. I don't think anyone's got a Pi 4, have they? And they're like nearly 100 quid nowadays. To be fair though, I've got so many pies in a drawer that I don't need any more. So my Pi 3 I do. I gave one away the other day. Alright. But has yours got Gentoo running on it? That's going to be the question. Anyway, for the stream today, we're going to set up a Pi 3 ready to run. It's going to be a portage network share, so I only have to run a sync update on one machine in the house, and then the rest of them can just pull the files from there. Make my life a little easier. And obviously while we're there, we'll do some profile testing, and we'll test clang and what's the other one, muscle on it as well, because you know it's me and that's all I seem to do nowadays. So we'll unpack this, and what have you got? I've also got 3. I've got a Pi 1. I've actually got one of the original models that came out when they first released. One of the ones that came from China. I have also got Gentoo running on that as well. Runs quite well. So we'll unpack the stage now. Oh, Pi 0, I got one of those as well. My what was the thing? The micro USB, the OTG cable. That's it. That's broken at the moment, and you can't run it on the Awedo. Can you? Is it Adredo? Awedo? I don't know. One of my fantastic pronunciations right there. Right, I need to install QM into here. I can never remember the command, so it's this one. This just basically installs a copy of QEMU into the char root, so I can use a different architecture on my main PC for a bit more speed. Mount the temporary directories so I can actually use it. So proc first, then dev, and this, and the pointless one run. But still handy. Wow, it's about time, and I haven't done it for a while. Back when I was doing it originally, I was doing it every stream 15 times. I got fed up. At this point, I reckon even you can install Gentoo without any, without the handbook. You've heard me say it so many times. There we go. Alright. Char root in. That's not good. What's going on? It's char root. There's always going to be char root. But it's change root. Why has that not run? Group with a hard C. It's char root. Right, I've got that in there. Let's repackage that. So it will be quick package. Oh, I know why it's not working. What a silly bitty. Bear with me a second. I haven't set up the registers. So that will be... I don't know why I just don't set registers up for every single architecture. Because one of these days I'm going to do it. Forgive me for the copy and paste, but I'm not typing out this command. It takes too long. You'll see why in 2 seconds. Yeah, there's no way I'm typing out that command. Then I need to restart. What is it? Bin FT in a bin format, something like that. That one. Nope. Okay, now I can log in. Happy days. So let's run an emerge sync to start off with. Then we can set up the profiles. Let's hope I can remember to put the S on the end this time so we don't have the same issues. It does remind me though, there is an issue with the LMB profiles at the moment that I need to overwrite, so I must do that. I'll show you how to do that in a second. What do I need to get? I need to remember what the C flags are for a pie. C flags, and they are. Got that ready. That'll be nearly done in a second. So this will be perfect, and we can start on to the next part. You don't want me to start pronouncing things properly, Duality. The only reason you come here is to laugh at my pronunciations. Everyone hates your streams except for me. I like my streams. I haven't seen Mitzi for ages. Where is he? Your girlfriend was messaging me earlier on actually saying that. Don't worry though, I won't steal your missus. What are they saying now? I don't know what I've done with my mobile phone. I might have to go and run downstairs and find that in a minute, otherwise I'll be sad. Oh no, it's in my pocket. Oh, you're too old for it. I don't want her. She's yours. I'm just a cool granddad, you know that. But you know, I had a rote result today. I popped into Asda to buy some bits, and I got a free Kinder Egg. Best day of my life. Alright, we'll emerge select repository now. But the Kinder Egg story gets better though. Right, guess what the toy was inside? I'll give you one guess. It's free chocolate and a free toy. What more would you want? I know, better than Pepper. And what happened to my life? I ended up sitting on stream talking to you about a free Kinder Egg. What other moment in my life supposed to be the best? The birth of my children? Oh, it's a free Kinder Egg, of course. A wildebeest. No, an actual wildebeest. So now, free as in free wildebeest is the new saying. I can't send a photo right yet. I'm going to call it Gentoo. I'll send it later on for you. Imagine not having a smartphone. Is that applied the... Oh, I don't think that's applying. That's not. Alright, stop. Let's turn on experimental. Imagine not having... I've got a smartphone, but I'm just too old to use one, you know? It's so hard trying not to type in AMD 64 on this rather than ARM 64. Might as well set the C flags while I'm here, innit? Like a true boomer, eh? That looks good to me. Someone's actually done that on theirs. I might do it myself. I've just got to find a phone that I turn on to do it. I've got a Nexus 6 lurking around somewhere, so shouldn't be too hard to do. Yeah, the only drama with them is what's the one? U-boot. And I hate U-boot, and the Android one's even worse than normal. Well, let's be honest, I use the computer to compile. Right, so we'll build Python quickly. That will give us the muscle fix, so we can use merge user. And it's pretty good, isn't it? Me and Luna have been talking about that. Sorry, me and your girlfriend were talking about doing a Kindle a little while ago, because I've got a paperweight lurking around. It's basically the same processor as a Raspberry Pi 1, so on that side of it it's not too difficult. But because I can't actually install it directly to only Charu, I read loads of books. All of the 2001 Space Odyssey book series, Rendezvous with Rama series. What else have I read on it? 1984, Animal Farm, Harry Potter, read that on there. Probably a few Discworld books on there as well. There you go. And no, I didn't buy it for just Gentoo, but that's where its end game is, as always. Ooh. Well, to be honest, I'll still be able to use that for reading books and running Gentoo, because it's only a Charu. To be honest though, how cool would it be if I could actually get it to boot and still read ebooks on there? That'd actually make my day. I think that's what I need to... That needs to be my life goal. Maybe I could work with the Alpine person, see if we can figure it out. He did give me the link to his GitHub or GitLab. It looks really good for the terminal, didn't it? I didn't think the Paperwhite e-ink screen would be that good, but very nice. No, I know the original poster wasn't, but he gave me their GitHub to the person that was. To be fair though, they saved me a heck of a lot of time, because I was going to do this before I saw that, but the information wasn't very forthcoming on what to do, so that link saved me a couple of hours. I mean, you lot will all be upset because that's a couple of hours of me screaming at the computer screen missed out on now. Obviously I did look, there's just not much information on it. To be honest, my keyword skills were probably a bit bad because I obviously just typed in Paperwhite jailbreak. As you can tell by the post, I knew quite a bit about the project before I started it. You know the keywords to search for now. That's like saying you could find the information in 15 minutes to do the PlayStation 2 now. I've done it once. Right, I'm going to go and look now. If that comes up really quickly, I would agree with you that I'm an idiot. So I'll search for that, and the first search is how to connect a Kindle to Linux, and how to install the Linux program on Ubuntu. I want to see how easy you can find it now. Okay, let me try that. Kindle Paperwhite. Kindle Paperwhite Linux. Oh. Yeah, alright, you're right. Oh, this one tells you how to boot it as well. Hello. Okay, okay. This has got a little bit more interesting. Hey, Bell Pepper, you alright? Alright, I'm not a smart man. It's fine. But look forward to a future stream where we can install Gentoo on a paperweight. We still need to do Linux from scratch on the Wii though, don't we, really? Well, if I can't find something... Welcome to my world, Belle. I've got to go to college next month as well. It's going to be horrible. How young are you? I'm old. Still go and learn though. You can teach this old dog new tricks. I'm going back to teach. No, I'm going to retake my Cisco CCNA. It's that time of that time to get that all renewed. Can't wait. Yeah, I suppose I am getting taught old tricks, but in a new format. This goes hard, doesn't it? Saying that though, if I'm staying away, maybe I can bring the Kindle with me and I can do some streaming. Cisco's easy. Says a person that's never done Cisco. It's one simple trick. What? Not attending or paying someone else to do it for you? Don't think it works with that one. I do believe you can install Gentoo on a washing machine now. Don't give me ideas though, I'll probably end up doing it. Oh, can you imagine if you can make, you know, because modern washing machines have got that little tune that beeps, don't they? Oh, imagine if you could turn that into the Doom theme. Oh, that'd be awesome when your washing finishes. I'm going to off stream look on how to hack my washing machine to make that noise. Duality, the final stream has already been planned out. It'll be the day that I install Gentoo directly to the brain. Because let's be honest, I'm going to mess it up first time and then it's not going to turn back on. That's literally what I want to do now, Balpepper. And I wonder if I could do it. I mean, to be honest, it's probably not the worst thing I've ever done. I mean, I've jailbroke my dumb TV so I can play videos over it. It'd just be me crying in stinky clothes. I'll be alright for a couple of weeks before I need to wash any clothes though. Maybe I should do all my washing beforehand though. But think though, if I got that to work on the washing machine, I'll be popping off on YouTube. I mean, I would subscribe to a video, for a channel that had a video of that. Well, to be fair though, in my world, I am the most important person in it. See, I've already got a buyer for it as well. Oh no, they're going to buy me one to do it. If I was a prank, imagine me getting back from work one day and it's just 5 washing machines sitting outside my house. Oh, brilliant. Just stick it in front of my room so I can't even get, or put it in front of the stairs so I can't get upstairs. That's just mean. If this is what you like to your friends, Joali, I hate to see what you do to your enemies. Ooh. Don't have any enemies. Kill them all, yeah? Oh, I've already beat your punchline, haven't I? Sorry, mate. You know what? I'm half tempted to do a Clang 16 install for this one. What do you reckon? Should we make it a little bit more challenging? We can install the new release candidate. You do pay someone else to do it? It was an accident. Yeah, sorry, I forgot there was the court case coming up. Can't be called human anymore. Not conscious enough to oppose you anymore. Oh, yeah, remind me never to be horrible to duality. I'm rather attached to my legs at the moment. Okay. I don't even know what that is, and I don't think I want to. It'll scare me too much. Right, Pokemon's nearly finished anyway. At least I'm not the only one, Belle. It does scare me just reading the word, though. Let's have a look. What is it? Ooh. That's... So what's inverse? Well, I can't put weight on, so that's fine. Is that where it comes from? I never knew that. Learn something new every day. Not that one. Transor is the one they do for food in it, cooking. Did it actually say train oil? Everyone likes a bit of Thomas oil in their engine, in their food. Alright, maybe I read it as trans oil rather than train oil. I'm not a smart man. Oh, is that what I'm thinking? Oh, I'm not a smart man. I'm gonna have to ask my friend. He's a bit of a train geek. Yeah, probably know. I'm not preferring. You roast everyone, Joelle. I can't put my flirting skills onto Twitch. They're too good. Oh, that's the same on. No, that's just yourself, Duality. I need to remember to copy those LD flags before I switch over though. Right, there we go. There's Python installed, the worst one. We'll have the rest of them done very quickly. And then we can install merge user as well before I forget. So much to do. It's all happens. Luckily I don't have that issue. I can just be myself and people seem to like it. Maybe one day I could do a stream of installing Gentoo on a date. There we go. That'd be a good one. I don't know how I'll tell her though. She'll have to wait until after I've done the Kindle. I would say I can't wait to meet Mrs. Duality, but we all know it's Luna anyway, so... No, it's a vape stick. It's never have peace. You can imagine what they were like when I used to smoke all the time. I'll take another hit because we're talking about it. Oh gosh, shouldn't have took that one. That's made my lungs go a bit funny. Need a drink now. Oh, yeah, I'll tell you what, Joe. I'll put my wildebeest in the on the chat for you while we're waiting. Right, there you go. My little friend's going on Discord for you. Cool. Oh, it took a while to upload that one. I went to Asda and there was a free Kinder Egg there, so I had it. And then inside there was a wildebeest as a toy. I was like, what a treat that is. Hello, Luna, you alright? I was just talking to your husband. How do you not know? Which one? Oh, poor duality. No wonder he's been in a bit of a grumpy mood today. I get a personalised notification. I did give you one when I was out shopping. I said I'm gonna do a bonus stream today because I haven't got to take my daughter to wherever it was. Yeah, I've got to take my daughter to drama. Yeah, see, forgot. God, I'm getting moaned at now if I give it a personalised. Same fan? Oh, yeah, that's Tesco one, isn't it? Tesco fan, I'm sure it was. I think I bought it when we had that heat wave a couple of years back. About the only fan you could buy for under 20 quid when the heat wave was going on. Nah, it was... Nah, it wasn't 21, was it? I thought... Maybe you're right. I'm sure he had it longer than that. 2020, I think it was. Was it really? No. I'm sure it's 2020, I got it. Ah, oh, you've upset your husband so much he's had to go. Was it really 2022? No. God, my memory's getting bad. Can't even remember what I did last year. Anyway, Luna, I was thinking about doing Clang 16. What do you reckon? Don't have an MMU. No protected memory. Oh, your nerdy jokes are getting so good lately. I'm so gonna steal that if I ever get Alzheimer's. Why'd you wait till I'm having a vape to do jokes like that? Anyway, 16's okay in the UK. It's just not okay when you're in the Virgin Islands. Although 16's very creepy. I'm not getting involved with that one. What game are you trying to play? I don't think it hit 40 degrees over here. I've done that a few times working and it's fucking hot. That's not like GTI 5 to not be working. Oh, we're done. Right, let's create a repository. So that'll be eselect repository. Is that your spell? Or was it the other way? It's that in it. Repository. Create local. There we go. like I say, average. Okay, let's create this one then. So I need to cd var db repos local profiles. Let's create the things I need to do. Portage, repos config local. Local location. DB repos local. And then I need to do metadata layout config, and then it will be portage profile format. So that will make it a slave profile, which we need, and then I can now add what I need. So if I do, let me copy the LD flags just in case it doesn't work still. Right, and then right, let's set them if I need them later on. We'll keep them commented out though to start with. Next I need to make directory 23.0 muscle LMV. Then I can cd into there and nano EAPI, set that to 7 so I can have the nice ones. If I select profiles list, I can find out what the existing profile is. This one, isn't it? She is. Okay, so then I need to create a parent file, don't I? Yeah. A nano parent. Be that LMV, and I turn this to a 23. Okay. Oh, and let's do the file that I forgot last time. So profiles description, what did I call that one? 23. Yeah, got it. So that's ARM64. Almost forgot the name. No. And we'll set that as developer so I don't have to remember. Right, now if I list, it's going to be there this time. There she is, right at the bottom. So we're set 28. I think that's it. Alright, let's emerge merge user, because otherwise nothing's going to work. Probably should have done that beforehand, to be fair. Okay, I'm interested. The suspense is killing me now. But quite nice. Still want to see that first release though. Right, merge user, dry run. Yep, no issues. So I can just run this. That will merge that. Perfect. Right. Let's try. What can we merge? Let's do nano. Always an easy one, isn't it? Okay, that's fine. Now I think this is going to fail because of the setting in Clang to stop working. Stop it being able to compile programs. But let's see if that got fixed yesterday. Oh, nope, it still doesn't work. But if I where was it? There it is. If I change it to the old one, because there's only one difference between the two, this should now build. Let's see. It looks like that's going to build. How's this looking? I think that's building now. So that's fixed that issue. We can stop that and we'll update Clang to the new version. So rather than doing what I did yesterday, which took forever, this time I will copy over the names from the modern C page and just change it to 16. Package.accept keywords, and we'll create a V1, there we go. Great. Yeah, I probably could just said this, but I've started, so I've finished, I guess. Alright. That looks like that's all. So this will now install the very latest version, which should be release candidate 2, I believe, but we'll find out. Nope, that's installing too new. Whoops. Brilliant. So now I need to do RC. Perfect. I really wish I said it now. I think that should be it. Let's check again. There we go. That is that building. Lovely. Let's just make sure everything looks good on there. Okay. That should be good. Right then, so I think that's the end of the bonus stream you get for this week. Hopefully I can do another one this week, possibly Friday, but who knows, I might be able to fit one in tomorrow as well for a bit more PlayStation 2. So thank you all very much for coming, and I will see you on the next one. Stream moment, what have I done this time? But anyway, I'll catch up with you all later on.